This person has achy joints and a rash. Okay. A rash can be so many things in general. It can be a heat rash. It can be an allergic reaction. So it's too broad for me to help you in this regard. But joints, any kind of joint pain, any kind of stiff joints, cracking joints, popping joints, it's all acidosis, meaning that your body is acidic. Okay? And the body is taking calcium from tissue, stealing calcium from tissue. You're not replacing the calcium. This can cause bone problems, joint problems. So fix your parathyroid gland first, and your endocrine glands, and go on an all-fruit diet to alkalize the body, to get rid of the acids, work on your kidneys and your lymphatic system and your adrenal glands. This is how you fix any joint problems. In a matter of weeks on a fruit cleanse, your joint problems will start to resolve itself. I speak from experience for myself and also from helping others. The fruit diet by itself will take away your joint pains, and especially if it's not so chronic. If you have acute joint pains, it can be gone in a matter of weeks, a couple of weeks. If you have chronic joints like arthritis, it can take a much longer time, but you will get relief as you go along, okay?